balance sa'yo.
Poor baby is that loser. But then her hair is because this is like, oh my god. This is an asshole. Shut up! I imagine when the journalist
You know how cool this shot looks like, Ralph? It's like a silhouette of Kung Fu.
oh my god, there's such a north and suddenly shut up! The person still property. Shut up. Yes, I know I love Elliot too. I made the journalist last. I love him more than the person. I hate lawyers.